Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am giving you tutorial of how to make 4K video in CapCut. So let's start the video without any time. Preview. Add your clip. Go to the Adjust after Video Quality and click on Enhance Quality. Go to Adjust and do like me, same.